धीरे धीरे करके आपको अपनी मोहब्बत दिखाएंगे, कि धीरे धीरे करके तुम्हें अपनी मोहब्बत दिखाएंगे, कभी फुर्सत में हो तो आप तुम्हें गोरखपुर घुमाएंगे। बहुत बहुत मशहूर है यह शहर, आइए गोरखपुर घूम लीजिए, कि बहुत मशहूर है यह शहर, आइए गोरखपुर घूम लीजिए। दर्शन कीजिए, बाबा गोरखनाथ की महिमा अपार है। दर्शन कीजिए, गोरखनाथ मंदिर में बाबा की महिमा अपार है। शुद्ध हवा और मनोरंजन के लिए नौका विहार है। That's all. Thanks for listening carefully.
Now only say clap together. Clap, 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 clap. Stop. Together. Match होने चाहिए. Okay. Clap. No. Clap. 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 Clap, 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 clap. Stop. Clap, 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 clap. Stop. 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Well. So fantastic.
Fantastic.
Great.
Great.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Superb.
Superb.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Today.
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 Tomorrow.
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 Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Great.
Great.
Mind-blowing.
Mind-blowing.
January.
January.
February.
February.
Today.
Today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Not Saturday, guys. Saturday.
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 Marvelous.
Marvelous.
Fantabulous.
Fabulous.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Great.
Great.
First of all, happy afternoon to everyone. Respected sir, first, and I want to pay thanks to respected sir who has given me this golden opportunity to stand over here and say something about my city, Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur is a very delightful city, famous for very delightful city in east of Uttar Pradesh, and it is famous for its immediacy with Nepal and Kushinagar border. It is only 299 kilometers from Nepal border, and geologically, if I talk about Gorakhpur city, the bowl shaped Gorakhpur city is situated along River Rapti and River Rohini. And if I talk about the education systems of Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, the Gorakhpur district is a home run of government universities like Deen Dayal Upadhyay University, Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, and there are and if I talk about the after that, it serves the railway headquarters and northeastern railway zone, which is the part of Indian Railway, and it offers the class A plus facilities of railway station. And if I talk about the hospitals of Gorakhpur, there are so many hospitals of Gorakhpur, and there are some hospitals which provides the best qualities, like best qualities medical treatments. Like I have to tell about only one hospital, Life Care Hospital. This is the one of the most popular hospital in Gorakhpur, because of it is only the hospital which gives the treatment of which give a treatment to a person who is suffering from a very dangerous disease. Like the name of disease is pneumonoarthra microscopic silicon volcanoconiosis. This is the very dangerous disease of uh, lung disease caused by silica dust. And the Life Care Hospital is give the facilities very good facilities, and their cleanness, where their treatment, they hire the experts to give the treatment of the peoples. That's all. And now I'm going to tell about the Airport of Gorakhpur. The Gorakhpur Airport is renowned by the named Mahayogi Gorakhnath Airport, and it is the only one airport in Gorakhpur. And it is the only one airport in Gorakhpur. It is a domestic airport. And if I talk about the most popular markets in Gorakhpur, there are Reti and Golghar is the most popular market in Gorakhpur because it is the heaven of shoppers looking for traditional Indian wares like handicrafts, jewelries, etc. And if I talk about the famous why Gorakhpur is famous, Gorakhpur is famous for its immediacy with Gorakhpur is renowned by its historical and cultural importance. And if I talk about the why Gorakhpur is called the Java of India, because the Gorakhpur is called Java of the India because it is the because it is the number of high sugar mills in all over the world. And if I talk about the most popular thing in Gorakhpur, this is the terracotta pottery, and it is the very popular in Gorakhpur. It is the administrative headquarters of Indian Railway Zone, and it is the hometown of Gorakhnath Mutt, a Gorakhnath temple. And here is a Indian airport since 1963. And if I talk about the GDP rate of Gorakhpur, it is 32,382.22 crores. And if I talk about the literacy rate of Gorakhpur, the literacy rate of Gorakhpur is 70.81% peoples and 80.81% of males and 59.36% of females. And if I talk about the most spoken language in Gorakhpur, there are Hindi 97.99%, Urdu 2.02%, Bengali 0.05%. And if I talk about the most religious culture in Gorakhpur, that is Hindu 90.97% and Muslim 9.09%.